Children's Day is a holiday in Taiwan. It is for kids, parents, and everyone. So if you were a little kid before, this holiday is also for you. Children's Day in Mandarin is 儿童节。儿童节。People in Taiwan celebrate Children's Day on April 4th. The origin of Children's Day in Taiwan is linked to the Geneva Declaration of the Rights of the Child. It's a day parents will give kids gifts, have a family outing, or celebrate with delicious food. As for the school, some give kids a 40-minute recess and 10-minute class time. How fun is that? Happy Children's Day! 儿童节快乐！儿童节快乐！This is Miss Panda, and I'll see you next time.